Welcome to our guide on Krea AI, the revolutionary tool that's transforming social media marketing in 2025. Let's get started by setting up your Krea AI account and integrating it with your favorite social media platforms. Discover the powerful features of Krea AI designed specifically for marketers like you. Learn how you can create engaging posts, stories, and ads using Krea AI's innovative insights. Utilize Krea AI's analytics to identify and target the right audience for your brand effectively. Maximize your efficiency by scheduling posts and automating responses with Krea AI. Track your performance and refine your strategies using Krea AI's robust analytics tools. Explore how successful brands are leveraging Krea AI for their social media marketing efforts in 2025. Here are some expert tips and best practices to boost your social media engagement with Krea AI. In conclusion, Krea AI is set to revolutionize social media marketing, paving the way for innovative approaches ahead.